You're looking live now at some sunshine, clearing skies over Sarasota Bay, something we haven't seen in a while. And that's a result of a little bit of a drier air, a little temporary reprieve here along the Sun Coast. So if you have some plans this evening, should be okay, especially in Manatee and Sarasota counties right now. But skies will again cloud up tomorrow, and showers and storms will once again be around. Some of that rain could be heavy at times, but that's kind of a nice finish. Here's what it'll look like at 1 o'clock this afternoon, looking out over Sarasota Bay. Showers, thunderstorms, winds gusting as high as 40 to 50 miles an hour at times, and even some water spouts sighted near Turtle Beach. Yesterday we had the water spout right there at Siesta Key at the north end, and now a little bit of a break. The area of low pressure is still back here, but you can still see that rough weather that blew up, causing the lightning strike there in Venice and a brief fire there. All the lightning, for the most part, has now shifted off to the east, and we're looking at some calmer conditions. Although it's still raining in Sarasota and also into Hardee and DeSoto counties, the rain is starting to taper off somewhat western Manatee and also in the northern portions of Sarasota County this evening. It's still moving to the northeast. Now notice way back here, still some showers and storms developing. Even further off, there's more energy there. So energy will regenerate some more clouds and showers later on tonight, and it'll be around throughout the day on Wednesday. I mentioned this area in particular. They got hit hard earlier today, up to 5 to 8 inches of rainfall right there. And over the past 24 hours, 10 inches of rain. And for us, lesser amounts, but some areas, most areas, reporting at least 2 inches of rain over the past couple of days, and up to 4 inches right at the airport. 4 inches of rain just in the past couple of days. Now, there is a marginal chance for some isolated severe weather. That means winds gusting 40 to 60 miles an hour, even some small hail. And then there's a small possibility at 2% of isolated tornadoes. That's through Wednesday as a result of more energy spinning through our area. And then 5% chance of getting some damaging winds. And as far as that goes, you can see this is the area of low pressure right here. Continues to spin, and then we have these little pieces of energy that got to rotate around it every once in a while. There's one right there in the central Gulf, not as intense as the one that moved through earlier today, but it's going to pinwheel right in our direction. We have a little break there. That's where we're starting to see some sunshine. And it looks like we will see generally fair skies through the next several hours. Still getting some light rain at the airport. Dew point is at 73. And the pressure has been falling at 29.79 inches. The high today below average at 70 or 85. 74 was the morning low. And look at that, over an inch and a third there at the Sarasota Braden Airport. Yesterday it was over an inch and a half. And so our rainfall total for the month should be a little higher than what they're reading right there. But nonetheless, we are above average for the month. Now, showers and storms scattered about. It's not going to be a total washout tomorrow. There'll be at times some heavier rainfall, and then while others a little bit of a break here and there, and you can see that quite clearly on the RPM forecast model. The low pressure spins across the panhandle, and then a frontal boundary comes down. That front will move through. We'll see some cooler, well, drier air, let's say, on Friday, and then that front moves back northward on Saturday and Sunday, and more energy moves along it. So our rain chances will pop back up fairly quickly on Saturday and Sunday. But rainfall chances for us tomorrow, again, the forecast through Wednesday, still calling for the scale up to 2.5 to almost 4 inches of rainfall across parts of North Florida. For us, we could see it as high as 2.5 to 4 inches in parts of Sarasota County. So yes, it keeps on coming. And for boaters, unfortunately, small craft advisory will stay with us through the day tomorrow. 3 to 5 foot seas, and the water temperature now at 83 degrees, and UV index will be very low. Tides upcoming, low tide at 7:03, sunset at 8:23, sunrise at 6:35. Mostly cloudy. Showers and storms redeveloping late tonight. 77 for low, variable clouds. More showers and storms scattered tomorrow. A little peak of sunshine now and again. The extended forecast calling for some sunshine on Thursday, but still a good chance for storms. Lessens on Friday as far as the rain goes, and picks right back up just in time for the weekend.